Hey guys, welcome back to Skincare with Kay, where I show what I'm learning about skincare with you. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine for the tretinoin 0.1%. If you guys are not aware, I was initially on the tretinoin at 0.05%, and then I felt like it kind of wasn't working for my skin anymore, and so I went back to my doctor and I asked her for the 0.1%, and so I guess I just kind of want to show you guys how that's going so far. So with that being said, I like to go in with some micellar water before washing my face, especially when I wear makeup, just because I want my cleanser to remove whatever the micellar water could not remove. And I find that going in with the micellar water before cleansing your face or cleansing my face just makes everything a little bit more efficient. Put it on my cotton pad and I'm just wiping away. This is good. And also, because with tretinoin or with Retin-a, I'm experiencing a lot of peeling, so I find that going in with the micellar water and just wiping my face down first kind of remove some of the dead skin so that there isn't as much. Thumbnail. Okay, now that I have washed my face, or now that I have cleansed my face with the micellar water, I go in with my Vanicream cleanser. The reason why I use this is because it is fungal acne safe, and my skin is very sensitive and it is very fungal acne prone, so I have to make sure that I'm being very diligent with like the products that I choose and the products that I put into my routine. And this is a cleanser that was recommended to me by the owner of simpleskincarescience.com. I will put his website here, and I will also link his website in the description box below. That is where I got most of my knowledge about fungal acne, and if you want to learn about fungal acne, make sure to check out his website because it is amazing. So, and also I went on skincharisma.com and I put the ingredients of this cleanser inside the ingredient analyzer, and it came back 100% fantastic. So alright, so let's just go ahead. Let me show you guys my face without the ring light on. This is just with my bathroom light on, so I think you guys can see everything better. You can see the dry patches, but they're healing. You can see the skin texture better. You can see how my hyperpigmentation is fading a lot better. And if you want me to be making these videos like kind of weekly, where I just kind of show you guys my skin's progress and how, you know, the things that I did during the week and whatever I think helped and what I think did not help, let me know in the comment section below because I would love to. I think I'll still be doing it. But anyways, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead with my Vanicream cleanser. Yes, my face is dry. I don't know, I like switching things up. So like sometimes I might try something new. I might just add a little something, a little flavor into my routine. And today I decided that I was going to try like dry cleansing. Okay, so I found out about this from a girl on YouTube, another YouTuber that I watch, and she is super cool. She doesn't know I exist, but I really like her, and I'm going to link her channel somewhere in the video. So dry cleansing is basically when you put the cleanser on your dry face with some dry hands, and supposedly it's supposed to help like exfoliate gently, which I'm actually feeling. Like I'm feeling a lot of the dry skin kind of getting removed. Something else that I wish I learned early on in the Retin-a game is make sure you rinse your face with cold water, and that's another reason why it's a good idea to go over your skin with some micellar water, so that you're not like depending on the hot water to, you know, get rid of the makeup on your face or the oil, because the micellar water does that for you. Because I find that my skin gets irritated a little bit easier when I'm on Retin-a, actually way easier when I'm on Retin-a, and so cleansing it with some cold water definitely helps to calm it down. And even like if it's hurting afterwards or whatever, after I've done one of those treatments that I probably didn't think twice about, I just like to go over it with some ice. I don't know why that was relevant. If you guys are on Retin-a as well, comment down your percentage and any tips or tricks that you guys might have for me, because I'm always learning. This is a learning and sharing channel. Okie dokie. Next, I'm going to tone my face. Super simple. Thayers, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Thayers, but some people say Thayers, so I'm just gonna say Thayers. Thayers Tonique Facial Amamelis. Anyways, this is the Thayers Cucumber Witch Hazel Facial Toner situation. The toner is also very, I'm gonna make sure to put a lot of the toner so that I'm not like causing too much friction and stress with my skin and too much pulling. But yes, so the witch hazel is also fungal acne safe, so that is a bonus. I don't think I'd be using it if it wasn't fungal acne safe. And once again, it's like after I've rinsed my face, if there's any more dead skin that the cleanser kind of exposed, then my witch hazel toner just kind of clears that up. And I know that people have a problem with witch hazel because they say that it's an astringent and so it's stripping, but girl, I want my skin to be as stripped as possible so the Retin-a can work. Just kidding. Okay. While waiting for my face to dry, if my skin is still feeling irritated, I will go in with some aloe vera gel. Y'all know I love aloe vera gel. And it's just a little bit irritated, so I'll just go in with a little bit of that. Here you go. And I'm just patting it in. Aloe vera gel is honestly a godsend product for me. If you guys have tried aloe vera gel, if you guys have any experience with aloe vera gel, please leave it in the comment section below. Because, I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that has an obsession with it, so that might be a problem. Oh, my skin feels so good. Look at this. Ooh, there's an eyelash. Look at that. Okay. And I'm gonna go over it with some eucerin. And if you guys follow me on TikTok, then you saw the video where like I threw this in the garbage. Well, I take that back. We're always learning, and I kind of figured that that's the only thing that works for my face in terms of like treating the dryness and soothing it. Even though it is not 100% fungal acne safe, it is still safe enough for me. And so yes, I have readopted it into my skincare routine. And if you have a problem with that, you can put it in the comment section down below. Ooh. After my moisturizer, I'm going to wait for 30 minutes. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Ta-da! And as per the instructions, I'm just putting 2 pumps, okay? And I'm just pretty much dotting it on the affected areas. Okay. And sometimes I pat, sometimes I rub. It really does depend on how I'm feeling. If it's too dry to rub, then I pat. But because I put my moisturizer on top, I am just rubbing it in. But of course, like, you don't want to rub it in too much because it will start like, I don't want to say pilling, but it will kind of start clumping up. And another thing is that for some reason this tretinoin or this Retin-a leaves a white cast on my face. I don't know if it's because I'm black, but I know that somebody on TikTok was like, oh, you're using too much, and I'm like, no, like, I'm literally using the recommended dosage. And I'm putting a little bit under my eyes as well as on top because this is really good for anti-aging. And so far this is everything. And then because I put the moisturizer underneath, I like to go over something else that I'm doing to just speed up the healing process of my dark marks is I'm putting this on in the morning and in the night, but I'm doing my best to put it on at night. See, there's the white cast. After waiting maybe like another 10 minutes, I'm putting this on the dark marks. And that's pretty much that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with my morning routine. And if you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, definitely communicate them to me in the comment section. Or if you have any tips and tricks, or if you've tried any of the products that I've tried, put your experiences in the comment section, and I would love to reply to them. I love chatting with you guys, so go ahead and do that. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe so that you're on the lookout for my next videos, and so that you never miss a video from me ever again. Thank you. Goodbye. Ooh, we love to see it. We absolutely adore seeing it. Absolutely fantastic. And see, like, my skin tone is kind of getting back to normal, and I love it. It's bright. It's not dull anymore. For some time my skin had become dull, but it is good even under my eyes.